How to make ginger, or what we call le jus de ginger, or I guess you would call it ginger drink in English. But it's commonly used for like ailments, cold, whenever you have a fever, sore throat, etc. It's phenomenal. It like opens you up. So check it out. This is the plant. Step one, you wash it, and then you're gonna have to carve it. I'll be doing it in this video, so I can't exactly record as I'm doing it. So what you want to do is wash every single one thoroughly before anything else. Using this to get rid of these weird parts. Yeah. Once you're done with that, then you just start cutting. It goes without saying, but you want to be as tight fitting as possible so you can retain as much of the ginger root plant as possible. It's almost like you're just doing this like light overwrapping on top of. Hold on, let's see if I can do this. It's like you're just going, and then you get something like this, and you do it all throughout the whole plant. Next, what you're gonna do is get it ready to be blended by cutting it as small as possible so it can actually be blended by the blender. Blendage. You always want to add a little water.
Of course, bro.
Look at that viscous.
She got mad skills. Mad skills.
Once all this has been completed, it is ready to be thrown in the pot where boiling water awaits it. And that's what's about to happen. So, common thing to do is that, I don't know the English word for this, but in French it's called la citronnelle. Just bits of it in there.
It's okay. I own it.
Oh my god. It was the secret all these years. And back on the burner. The final outcome. Can be drank. Put some lime. Put a lime in there. And then add a little sugar if you want. Well, we mostly just use honey. And then you're good to go. Anyways, hope you guys got something out of this. I'm going to go watch my Hancock. As always, swag fuck out.